سيداتي سادتي، مرحبا بكم على متن آي سكول. نرجو منكم ربط الأحزمة ووضع المقاعد في وضعية رأسية استعدادا للانطلاق.
Today we will solve some problems about the EST exam. Now, question number 1, speak about given 2x minus 8 equals 3y plus 4. What is the value of x if y is equivalent to the square of 2? The meaning of square of 2, which equals 4, so we will substitute by y equal 4, then 3 times 4 equal 12, 12 plus 4 equals 16, so 2x minus 8 equals 16. 8 go on the other side by different sign, then 2x equal 24, then x equal 12. Then the answer is C. Question 2. Amina went to the flower shop and bought 2 roses and 5 daisies for 6 pounds. So when we look to this equation, how to convert it? I will consider rose is x and daisies is y. So 2x plus 5y equals 6. And Lara bought from the same shop 4 roses and 2 daisies for 4 pounds. So 4x plus 2y equals 4. If you want to find the value of x and y, so you must eliminate. To eliminate, I will multiply the first equation by negative 2. So we have negative 4x minus 10y equals negative 12. By adding, we will cancel x, 2 minus 10y, which equal negative 8y, 4 minus 12, which equal negative 8, then y equals 1. Come back to substitute in the first equation to find the value of x. So 2x plus 5 equals 6. 5 go on the other side, then 2x equals 1. Then the value of x equal half. The last part in this question, how much should Ahmed pay to buy 2 roses and 2 daisies? So we know that 2 times half plus 2 times 1, which equal 3. Then the result will be D. In question number 3, we have the complex numbers, and we have 2 times 3i minus 7, so we will distribute. So we have 6i minus 14, and I times 2i, which equal 2i power 2 minus I. And we know that the value of I power 2 is negative 1, so we have 6i minus 14 minus 2 minus I, combining like terms, so we have negative 16 plus 5i, then the result will be C. We must know that I power 2 equals negative 1, so we can change the sign and remove I power 2. This is question number 3. Question number 4. If you have 2a minus 1 over b equals 6, and we want to find the value of a minus 3b. First of all, we must make 6 over 1 to make cross multiplication. So 2a minus 1 equals 6b. 6b go on the other side and 1 go in the last side. So 2a minus 6b equal 1. When we look to the question, we have a minus 3b. So we have relation join between this equation and this equation. If you divide by 2 all of this equation, so you will get a minus 3b equal half, and we know that half is 0.5. Question number 5. In this question, we have two ways to solve it. The first way to solve this problem, we must find a number for x which equals, for example, 2. So try to find the value of g of 2 which equal 2 times 2 minus 1. So we have 4 minus 1 which equal 3. After that, I will substitute in the other function by x equal 3, then 3 power 2 plus 3 times 3 minus 1. So 9 plus 9 minus 1, which equals 17. Come back to the choices and substitute by x equal 2. When we get 17, I will take the function. So in the first one, we have 2 times 2 power 2 plus 2 times 2 minus 3. So 4 times 2, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 minus 3, which equal 9. So we didn't reach 17. Then the first choice is wrong. 4 times 2 power 2 plus 2 times 2 minus 3. 2 power 2 is 4. 4 times 4, 16. 16 plus 4, which equal 20. 20 minus 3 equals 17. So we get the answer is B. This is the first way to solve this question by taking any number, for example, x equal 2, substitute in the first function g of x because it's inside the function. After that, we find the result of this function, which equals 3. So we substitute in the other function to get the number is 17. After that, substitute in the equation. This is the first way. We have another way, the classic way. If you want to find f of g of x, so you will substitute by each x in f of x by 2x minus 1. So you have 2x minus 1 all power 2 plus 3 times 2x minus 1 minus 1. What's the meaning of 2x minus 1 all power 2? 2x minus 1 all power 2, which means you have two brackets, 2x minus 1 like this, and try to distribute. Don't distribute the power because it's wrong way. So we have 4x power 2 minus 2x minus 2x plus 1 and distribute 3. So you have 6x minus 3 minus 1. Combining like terms, so we have 4x power 2 negative 2x, negative 2x is negative 4x, negative 4x plus 6x, which equal 2x. 1 cancelled with 1, so we have negative 3. Then the result also will be B. So we have two choices. If you can distribute the function by using x, you can use this way. If you don't like to do it with the variables, you can substitute by some numbers. Thank you for your input.